Cutting and bending the final panel is very similar to all the previous ones, but there are a few things you want to keep in mind. You will want to get a measurement from the edge of the second to last panel to the outside edge of the final panel. Once you have that measurement, you will want to mark your panel along with an additional line 1 inch further than that. You will bend that edge up to make an outside tab piece. Now take and snap a chalk line on both of your markings. Once you have the panel on the break, you'll take your utility knife and score the outside line several times. It's going to take a few attempts because this metal is much thicker than the trim coil that you used. After sufficiently scoring the metal, go ahead and use the break to get it to snap a clean edge. We'll now use the hand bending tool to bend that tab up at a 90-degree angle. You'll want to be sure to only try to move in a very small amount each time to go through so that you don't pinch or crimp the metal. Now that our side tab has been made, we're ready to work on both ends. The one end bent down towards the gutter and the other end boxed in and sealed like with the previous panels. Once that panel is ready to go, we'll just take it and snap it into place just like we've done with all of the other panels. But before we screw the panel into the board, we'll want to drill a pilot hole and bore the metal out just a little bit so that the head of the screw will countersink in, leaving a nice flat, level edge for the final trim piece to lay on.